Portulaca, commonly known as purslane or moss rose, is a beautiful and low-maintenance flowering plant that adds vibrant colors to gardens, containers, and hanging baskets. If you're interested in growing Portulaca flowers in your garden, this video will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to cultivate and care for these stunning plants. Soil preparation. Prepare the soil before planting by removing any weeds, rocks, or debris. Portulaca plants prefer a slightly acidic to neutral soil with a pH range of 6.0 to 7.0. Incorporate organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, into the soil to improve its fertility and drainage. Planting Portulaca. Portulaca can be grown from seeds or nursery-bought seedlings. If starting from seeds, sow them directly into the garden bed after the last frost date. The seeds are tiny, so sprinkle them lightly on the soil surface and lightly press them down. Keep the soil consistently moist until the seeds germinate, which usually takes about 7 to 14 days. Watering. Portulaca plants have excellent drought tolerance, thanks to their succulent leaves and stems. Water the plants sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot and other problems. Fertilizing. Portulaca plants are not heavy feeders and generally do well in nutrient-poor soils. However, you can apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer once or twice during the growing season to promote healthy growth and blooming. Follow the package instructions for application rates and timings. Pruning and deadheading. Portulaca plants have a trailing or spreading habit and can become bushy. To maintain a compact and tidy appearance, you can lightly prune the plants throughout the growing season. This helps encourage new growth and enhances flowering. Winter care. In regions with mild winters, Portulaca plants may survive as perennials. However, in colder climates, they are typically grown as annuals. As the colder months approach, allow the plants to naturally die back. You can collect seeds from mature plants for next year's planting. Alternatively, you can simply let the seeds disperse naturally, and they may self-sow in the garden. Portulaca plants are a fantastic addition to any garden, bringing vibrant colors and low-maintenance beauty. With their ability to thrive in hot and dry conditions, these lovely flowers are an excellent choice for gardeners looking for resilient and stunning blooms. By providing them with adequate sunlight, well-drained soil, minimal watering, and occasional pruning, you can enjoy the delightful display of Portulaca flowers throughout the summer months.